All right, guys, this is for Thursday, August 20th. Bell ringer. What impacts do humans have on geography? Your hint is to think about some of the things that we discussed yesterday when we talked about the 5 themes. So section 3 here, physical geography. It's the study of the world's physical features, its landforms, bodies of water, climates, soils, and plants. In class, we'll talk about some of the uses of physical geography. Then human geography, it's the study of the world's people, communities, and landscapes. Some other smaller fields, okay, you have cartography, so the science of map making, hydrology, and meteorology, the study of the weather and what it causes. Okay, that'll conclude chapter 1. Moving into chapter 2 about the Earth a little bit. Earth's movement takes Earth 24 hours, 1 day to complete this rotation. 1 complete spin of Earth on its axis. As the Earth moves, different parts of the planet face the sun, regular shifts from morning to night. This will greatly affect, obviously, weather and climate. Okay, that's why we're talking about it in social studies. Solar energy is energy from the sun, strikes on the half of Earth facing the sun. This is crucial for all the life on the planet. Consider the locations of the areas. So we have Chicago in the northern hemisphere, Australia in the southern hemisphere. Australia would be closer to the equator, so generally it would be warmer than Chicago. We also want to talk about the seasons in both areas. If it's cold in winter in Chicago, what season would it be in Australia? Australia's summers generally very hot and dry. Factors affecting solar energy: rotation, complete spin of Earth on its axis; revolution, as the Earth spins on its axis, it also follows a path around the sun. It takes 365 and 1/4 days for Earth to complete 1 revolution. Earth's tilt, areas tilting toward the sun receive more solar energy and are warmer. Latitude, the distance north or south of Earth's equator. Areas closer to the equator, like Hawaii, obviously those would be hotter than in southern Indiana, okay, just because of their distance from the equator. The seasons, okay, this is the main reason I want to talk about this sort of science today. The change in the seasons is created by Earth's tilt. Because of the tilt, northern and southern hemispheres experience opposite seasons. So winter, summer, fall, and spring obviously are those 4 seasons. The tropics are regions close to the equator. They have seasons marked by rainfall rather than temperature. So rather than they be marked by temperature, it's more about rainfall. So it's either a wet or a dry temperature. For the rest of the day, okay, you're going to read an article. If you're in class, we're going to do it in groups. At home, obviously, you'll be doing it by yourself. And then you're going to answer those questions at the bottom of your screen. So why do regions near the equator experience fairly constant temperatures? Why does location on Earth matter for the seasons? And what are the cycle of the seasons caused by? Okay, so those are your questions that you need to answer. If you're at home, okay, you can write those down and bring them back when you get back, okay? Everybody have a great day.